On a question like this, there is absolutely no reason to be constructing this equation out of thin air by reading the story. Just go to the choices right away. Notice that there's little differences between them that you can then look for in the passage itself. You do not need to construct some elaborate equation. They're giving you 4 equations. Just test them out. The first thing I notice is that some of them have a 7 and some of them have a 0.07. So maybe I should try to decide what that's all about. The 7 in the question is 7 cents, which doesn't necessarily mean I need it to be a decimal or not, but I can compare it to the other numbers in the question. The 3 is the number of dollars. That clearly appears as just like a whole number 3. 7 cents is going to be much, much smaller than that. That should now be represented as a decimal because we need it to kind of be consistent with the units of the other part of the question. So that's going to eliminate choices C and D for us. That 7 is not going to match with the story. And now the rest of it is really just deciding, well, do I need a greater than or a less than symbol? So what do they say? Well, we're trying to find a maximum possible call time, and the $50 is the limit, right? So we can't spend more than $50. So whatever happens, our total cost, which is what the left side of the equation represents, has to be less than the $50 that's on the card, or technically less than or equal to, but there you go. We don't even need to care so much about that kind of stuff. Don't worry about things that aren't really coming up in the answer choices. Just focus on them, look for clear differences between the choices, and then go back into the story and look for things that are going to help you decide what to choose in those kinds of cases. It's not that you don't need to come out of nowhere with these equations. I promise you, this is so much easier if you just work backwards from the choices that they give you.